Welcome. Today we will learn about Fresca Rose Plus medicine. Fresca Rose Plus Softgels capsules are sugar-free, pure evening primrose oil-rich source of GLA with vitamin E. It has faster absorbent, gluten-free, non-GMO, and no artificial sweeteners and no artificial flavors. It is used for hormonal balance, better skin, and cardiac wellness and diabetic health. Evening primrose oil is a rich source of GLA, gamma-linolenic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid. Omega-6 fatty acids like GLA are found throughout the body and play a role in the function of all cells. The body converts GLA into substances that have anti-inflammatory and potentially anti-cancer effects. Package contains the Fresca Rose Plus contains a plastic bottle of 30 soft gel capsules of 1000 milligrams. Supplement facts. Serving size: 1 softgel. Servings per pack: 30. Composition: each Fresca Rose Plus softgel capsule contains total fat amount per softgel 1%, daily value 2%, polyunsaturated fat amount per softgel 0.50 grams, trans fat amount per softgel 0, daily value 0%, saturated fat amount per softgel 0, daily value 0%. Evening primrose oil BP amount per softgel 1000 milligrams. Vitamin E, D-tocopherol acetate. USP amount per softgel 30 IU. Daily value 100%. Other ingredients: gelatin, bovine, glycerin, and purified water. Percent daily values are based on a 2000 calorie diet. Suggested use: take 1 softgel daily with food or as directed by a health practitioner. Benefits: uses the Fresca Rose Plus softgel capsules. Main combined ingredients: uses of evening primrose oil, vitamin E, women's hormonal health, eases PMS, premenstrual syndrome, symptoms, menstrual cramps, and breast pain. Supports hormone balance during perimenopause and menopause. Skin health: improves dry skin, eczema, and acne. Enhances skin hydration, elasticity, and repair. Anti-inflammatory support: reduces joint pain and stiffness, e.g. in rheumatoid arthritis. Helps manage inflammatory skin and body conditions. Fertility and reproductive health: may support hormonal balance for improved fertility. Vitamin E enhances reproductive function. Antioxidant protection: protects cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Supports healthy aging and immune function. Hair and nail strength: promotes stronger hair and nails, and may reduce hair thinning. Side effects: caution. Generally, this medicine is safe for most people when taken at the recommended doses. However, it may cause headaches, nausea, or an upset stomach in some individuals. Although rare, it may increase the risk of bleeding, so it should be avoided if you are taking blood thinners. If any adverse reactions occur, discontinue use and consult a physician. Warning: if suffering from any pre-existing medical condition, please consult your health practitioner. For adults only. Should not be used during pregnancy without a doctor's supervision. Do not take this product if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. Instructions: keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool and dry place. Keep the container tightly closed after use. Note: these statements have not been evaluated by MedSafe. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Manufacturer and buy online. Fresca Rose Plus Softgels capsules are manufactured by New Zealand Health Manufacturing. RIT is manufactured for Heal the World Limited. It is imported and marketed by Southside Nutrition Pakistan. It is available online, or you can buy it from any nearby pharmacy. It is available at a retail price of around 2,478 rupees. Thanks for watching and supporting. Take your medicines as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes them. You can check its article at MedsArchive.com. Have you ever used this medication? Please share your experience in the comments. Which medicine should we cover next? Your suggestion could be our next video. MedsArchive 1.